Dapat irapin ko, Apo. If you could remember, the first launching of Be Verified, ang interview, mga idol, with Marky Chua ng City of Batak. Tadidaam amoy, di kwa. Di mo, ibagada, Idol Lawrence, nga ubing pay. Makabasit ti experience siya na. Ngayon, edita na interview tayo ti Be Verified. Kitain nyo, mamet. Nakita yun, no, kasanot kalaing ni Marky Chua, the mayor-elect of the City of Batak. Kaya, mga idol, talaga naman. How about the Vice Mayor? Vice Mayor Jessica Lawrence, pakicheck mo to man. While waiting at madamat na verification ni Idol Lawrence, mga idol, hindi man pa lang kini Idol Joan Agustin. Dito ni Mayor Kieran Cano, adadagiti revelasyon na. Iti kaaldawan ti pa nagbubutos. Anat ket na nga sa wendete nga revelasyon. Inte man dinggen apot to of course, let us hear from Mayor Michael Marcos Kion. Kadeto'y report ni Idol Joan. No, digiti revelasyon nga ibagbagana, bayat kadeto'y na isangkat apong election 2025. Nakatutok pa rin ang IFM News sa Lawag City ng Bantay Balota.
Bantay Balota 2025 Midterm Election. The RMN News Special Coverage.
Idol Joan, dito pa nga detalye. Kami
Imboyan naga ni Lawag City Mayor Michael Marcos Kion nga dadagiti insidente anapaspasamak sakbay ken kabayatan na ti election idikalman. Kinanana ngayon muna tipan nakaiwarang dagiti landside ti driveway ti lugar da kini tinasusarono panagpalyar dagiti counting machines iti nagduma presinto. Maladingitan ito na kadagiti nasusaron o pasamak kini iti nagbali na question papaada dagiti panakapasarag kabayatan na ti election.
Okay, Idol Joan Anket. Mo man dito, nagpalyar mo man dito main anata ka sa jumping salad mo man nun. Okay, dito yung agundaway. Wait lang, Idol Joan to give way. Alright? Dinggan tayo man apo, dito dito observation na dito, Idol Joan?
Owen, Idol Bernard.
Okay, dinggan tayo ti obserbasyon ni Mayor Michael Marcos Kion.
I'm troubled about certain aspects about the election. Just to tell you, this morning, when we woke up, the maids were here, the maids went out. They saw that there were, in fact, I will get it for you. Just cut. I will get what I'm going to show you. They found all of these nails all scattered across the driveway. Okay? And it's funny because the nails weren't stuck on the ground, so you can just pick up the nails anyway. So what was the point in distributing the nails along the driveway? I mean, obviously, if we back out a car, it would puncture the tires. But what was the point in doing this when you can pick it up anyway and remove it? So I don't know if it was a signal but the fact that this was done. So that's the first incident this morning when I woke up. Now, this was followed by reports that at the Central Elementary School in Lawag, there were voters who voted for me, and then when they looked at their official receipt, my name was not there. And that happened to, I think, three voters. Now that has not only happened in the Central Elementary School, it's also happened in Barangay 19. It's also happened, I think, in Navotas. And there's even an issue about in the Muslim compound, there are voters they say that were brought up from Mindanao and who are meant to vote, but they're not registered voters. Okay, so suddenly you have all of these incidences occurring. Okay, which questions the validity of how the election is taking place.
Paset, panagsarita ni Lawag City Mayor Michael Marcos Kion.
Okay, so he is now questioning that the machines and at the same time digitay alleged mapagduduan nga tattawa Idol John. So agreklamo ni Mayor Michael Kion iti Comelec nga rod.
O negative ang pwede iti sarita na no kasbagarigan agreklamo iso na idol where napagpadaanan tayo itatang aldaw na tiagbalin nga tignay kakairaman ng dagiti ito mamamano nga individual nga dagiti reklamo na lately idol
at dati reklamo na kat alakat saan tayo nga kuha madi mo nga mabalin nga i-discount mo deta valid mo no kasbagarigan tata adamo ti naganan right namot nga agreklamo no kasbagarigan Idol John I mean karbangan na deta no kasbagarigan agpaisuman wino saan ket makamunto na itibiyang ti Comelec nga mang-imbestigar iti daytoy na dakamat a pasamak ka.
Idol Bernard.
Alright, go ahead.
Na mag-isisyon na tilawag kadwa 99.5 at nawag Idol John 15 katak for
Maraming salamat Idol John, idireto na dakamat a report. Tuloy-tuloy ti Bantay Balota 2025 midterm election coverage.
RMN News special coverage.